Well, here's a little Geraldene update. Now, Geraldene is my 1978 Ford F100. And Clint put in the new carpet the other day for me. And so this evening, he's going to switch out to the new Dashpad. So this is the old, I'm assuming it's the original one. It's really faded, has some cracks. So we ordered a new blue one. It looks black, but it's a really, really dark blue. So I think it will look just fine whenever we get her on. Really liking the new nice clean tan carpet. Favorite feature right there. I will be so glad to get back to a on the floor dimmer switch for high and low beams. Love it. That's what I always loved about my truck that I had when I was a teenager. Don't know why they got rid of those. So her interior is kind of all tore out, but we've got all the original pieces saved. And we're slowly putting her back together. So anyway, anxious to get this Dashpad on. Really super excited to get the door panels on. The tan and blue is really looking good. We're getting her back to her original color scheme. Well, the new Dashpad is in. Nice and blue, nice and new, not cracked. And we can move on to what's next. Well, hopefully what is next is the interior. Getting her dash put back together, getting the seat in. So there you go, just getting a little catch up with Geraldine. We got some car shows that we're hoping to get to do this summer. She's a work in progress. Well, Clint did get her seat put back in today and the cover on. Now, we're iffy on this cover and, we're just using it to get by for now until we decide what we want to do. A little disappointed in the fit of it. We were kind of expecting it to come down a little bit more like the older ones did, but this was just kind of El Cheapo off of Amazon, so it is just fine for what we are needing at this moment. So, I mean, the quality and everything is just fine. It looks great. I think it looks good with her blue. But this is what we got. I can drop the link to it. It was Amazon. I mean, we've been getting everything from LMC trucks, but I think their cover was around $100, which, I mean, I'm sure it would probably had a better fit, but this one was like 40 bucks and it's going to get us through until we can decide what we want to do, but not bad for now. Definitely covering up the yuckiness that was going on. So there is that. Well, there was a quick update on Geraldine, our 1978 F100 Ranger. just over the last couple weeks. New dash pad, the seats in with the cover, carpet. Boy, we've got a long ways to go. A long ways to go and a short time to get there because we're trying to enter her in her first show in 12 days. Well, 11 days now. Oh my gosh. She's a work in progress. I know she won't be show ready, and we're not trying to make her a show truck, but we thought it'd be fun to enter her into one of our local churches are having a car show here in a couple weeks. So we just thought for fun, we'd show her off a little bit, but a lot of work to do. Bed liner needs to get in. Dash needs to be put back together. We gotta get all of her glass in. Tell us what you would do on this seat. Have you got any ideas? Show us pictures of your project. I got something in mind I want to do. I just don't know if I can make it happen. So shoot us some comments below and tell us your ideas. Thanks for following along. Check out some past videos on when we went and picked Geraldine up, what we've got done, what we've got left to do, and let's see if we can get her to this show in 12 days.